food, sort of.
Quite hungry.
Soon. Yeah. Sam, got. So I got 1, 2, 3.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I just need some water.
Water.
And I'll make these into, whoops,
Oh, you got an enchanter's book.
yeah, I did.
How do you make an anvil?
Go.
Can you press R on these things and it shows the recipe? No.
Anvils, you need 3 steel blocks.
Iron blocks.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Oh.
3 times 9 is 27. So 27 iron, and then you need more iron.
Yeah, then you need, 4 more iron.
Yeah. Well, I'll have to get onto that. I want to make an anvil.
Yeah, we'll have to do that. How much? Oh, we've got like 28 iron now, don't we?
We got 24. I've got it on me at the
Okay,
moment.
so I need to do some more mining soon.
I'll make some.
Sorry,
I'm just gonna make some shears.
Yeah. Oh, I've got some shears.
Oh, cool.
Wait, I'll toss. Oh, yeah, they're in the
Is this chest for you or is it?
This can be for both of us.
Okay.
I just need to click.
Can we just go to bed for a sec? Because I want to go out and do some farming.
Oh, yeah.
And I might start on my tree orchard inside. My little inside tree orchard.
Cool. Okay, I'm waking up. I need to get some water. Is that moon just... Oh, I think that's the moon. Oh, yeah, wow. Planted some trees. Do you have any bone meal left?
Yep, I've got like 28.
Okay, well I can make some bread then.
Come outside and you can come get it.
Yeah. Okay, got one. There's a zombie, watch out.
Yeah. Got him. Didn't even get hurt by him.
It's good.
Woo!
So, are we going to have to split up our houses, or are we gonna stay here and live happily ever after in the...
Maybe at some later point.
Yes.
Wait till we've just gotten all relaxed and settled and, you know.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Let's see. Bone meal. Why is there a big sort of gaping hole in the floor?
Pardon?
Why is there a big gaping hole in the yog... I mean, not the yog cave. The other place. Our place.
Oh, I'm fixing that up.
Okay, that'd be okay. Sounds really squelchy. Okay.
Bit laggy.
Oh, what?
Oh, I'm dying of hunger.
Oh, wait, do you have any...
I'll give you my bone. Oh, I've got some apples and bread.
Okay.
I'll be fine for now.
Okay, we got a lot of bone meal.
I'll give you all mine. Wait.
Alright, no, I got heaps. I got a 64 of bone meal.
Okay.
How did that only... Oh, I didn't know it did the sparkling thing.
Let's turn...
Oh, you have to grow up... Oh, that sort of... I didn't realise that on the update, they, you can't actually... You have to grow wheat bit by bit with bone meal now.
Does it? I didn't know that.
Yeah. Why is that always just...
I just wasted that. What gaping hole were you talking about?
What?
You wanted to get rid of this gaping hole or something.
Oh yeah, there's a hole in the floor.
Just a sec, finish extending this house. And I'll make another pick. Da-na-na-na, na-na-na, na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Okay, I can get 2 pickaxes.
Cool, yeah, I got it. Oh.
Wow, the noises are so new.
Yeah. Monster noise is pretty cool. That looks really weird. Okay, I can make some bread. I don't know how I did that, but I managed to break 2 things at once.
Oh.
Okay, I've almost used... Oh, I've used like half the stack of bone meal.
Wow.
Yeah. I think they did it to stop... Yeah, okay, I need 2 more. Okay, the farm is now up and running, and I have 23 wheat. Wait, we got some cocoa beans. How do you make,
Can you grow cocoa beans?
Yeah, oh no, you can't grow them, but you can make biscuits out of them. I don't
Oh,
think
you need
they
like
provide
2
much
wheat
help.
and then cocoa bean in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, I got some pumpkin seeds. Okay, I've got 7 bits of bread. Do you need some bread now?
Some bread?
Yeah.
A little bit.
I think I just burped at the end of that.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, well.
Do you like what I've
Chest.
done with the place?
Put that just over there. Okay, I need to plant these melon seeds. Pumpkin seeds, I should say.
Oh man, I'm imagining what this place is going to be like after we're done with it.
Yeah.
We can...
I need another room for the other. Oh, I can just make it an extension.
Do you want to help me make the orchard?
Oh, but what?
The orchard.
Are we making an orchard?
Yeah, an inside one.
Oh,
like
cool.
for trees. A bit of coal. There's coal. You struck coal. Oh. What's the time?
4:08.
4:08. Shall we end at 20 past?
Yeah, should. It's 20 more minutes. So we've been playing for like an hour and a bit.
Okay.
Doesn't seem like that long though. Do you think we should go to the Nether?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we will.
We'll make a nether portal quite somewhere.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just
Getting all the coal.
setting out another place for the melon seeds. Or pumpkin seeds. I keep saying melon. Melons are cool though. It's annoying how you can only find their seeds, or,
Oh,
you
one bit
know,
off.
yeah, in abandoned mine shafts.
Huh?
You can only find melon seeds in abandoned mine shafts.
Oh, okay.
It gets sort of annoying.
Oh. I'll use this
I
as...
think we should get some Minecraft. Oh no, don't need Minecraft music, do we?
Need what?
Don't need Minecraft music, do we?
Nah. Why, is the music on for you?
No, it's just a bit boring without it. Oh man, pickaxe broke.
I got one.
Oh, no, it's okay.
I got
think
two.
I've got an... Oh, could I... Yeah.
You can have my used one.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Do you have any gunpowder?
I think I...
Nope.
Oh, jeez. You heard that as well?
Yeah, that was loud one.
I think I... Oh, I've got 4.
Yeah, I took it.
Yeah, cool.
We can make some TNT then.
Yeah,
'Cause I got one.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna go find some sand. Oh, dog again.
Yeah. Sounds just like Minecraft dogs. Oh, what happened to those? I think they all died.
Yeah,
I
we
think they all
killed
fell
them.
into lava or something. Got killed by those skeletons in this water.
I killed mine.
Or did you?
Yeah. I
Okay.
murdered them.
Oh, that's nice. How
Not
many?
really that noob at this, are we?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Do we have any flint? Do you have any flint?
Yeah, we do have some flint.
Ooh. I think it's this way. No, it's the other way. Yeah, there we are.
Right.
Do you want to blow up something?
Yeah, we
I
should.
got some TNT here. Look over here.
Oh, okay. Don't put it down. Cause, oh, found another hole.
Found a hole. Looks
Yeah,
like
I
a
found a
ravine.
hole. Was it a ravine? Right.
Jeez, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, it's not. It's a big hole.
Is it just a hole? Yeah.
I'm gonna make some ladders and go down there
Nice one.
and blow up something.
Yeah, okay. Got there. Oh, whoops. Yeah. It's quite a deep hole. Yeah. You don't want to jump into that. 'Cause
Into where?
oh, into a hole. Into that big hole. Jumping into big holes isn't the nicest thing. I like going. Go a little bit. That probably.
We'll go to the end, right? Will we do that?
Yeah, if we can.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
I'm putting flooring down, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, cool. Got chiseled brick.
I need to make some more.
Oh,
Do
so
I have
I
any
need-
coal? Yes, I do.
Oh, I need those.
Time now?
4:14.
Okay.
Okay. Have to get this done quickly then.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of all this gravel now. Get it ready for my stone.
Okay.
You know that gaping hole you covered up? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just done doing that because so I can put the stone there.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I've got a lot of cobblestone, don't I?
I'm focusing on making the house look nice, and you're focusing on doing the, survival stuff.
Alright. Oh, I got 14.
Oh. Wow, stone bricks are actually worth using your stone to make, because you use 4 stone bricks and it makes 4. Well,
Oh.
4 stone makes 4 stone bricks.
Okay, so it just looks better.
Yeah.
I think it's more sort of durable to, or resistant to.
What? Stone bricks?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're more resistant to thingy damage as well, explosive damage.
Man, if I had a condenser on from Tekkit, we'd so be done. But then that would be a bit cheaty. Nothing really beats good survival like this.
Yeah. Except for when it's doing on volts and you can like...
Yeah. A nice vault.
Oh wait, what? Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Oh. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh.
Don't.
I thought you were digging it.
No, we need that. It's just the cobblestone. We need seeds.
What, you want me to?
Sneeze! Sorry. Oh yeah, could you pick that up and I'll just... Sorry for the sneezing there.
Oh, bit of wool. That was random.
Yeah, sorry. Could you pass me... Oh wait, I've got them. Thanks. This is where we're gonna harvest the melons. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that's gonna take too long.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn all of our cobblestone in. Oh, I'll save a stack.
Yeah, because we need some for tools and stuff.
And then I'll use the rest to make stone.
We've got a lot of coal though.
Have we?
Can you condense coal?
What, on Tekkit?
Oh no, oh no, you can't do it on Minecraft, can you? No. That'd be very useful. You can get condensed coal.
Cool,
Take
I
up
got
space.
12 stone bricks. Another 12.
Nice. I need a bucket. Oh, could we just go to bed so I can go out in the day? 'Cause I
Okay.
don't want to die.
I'm in bed.
Cool.
You go do what you need.
Oh, Enderman. And I'm looking at it. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared, Sam.
Where is he? Shut up! Here.
Is it there?
Hey! It's 3 in the morning! People are trying to sleep!
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Where?
I'm gonna kill it.
Well, don't look at it.
I want to go and kill it. We need.
I can't hear you over the sound.
Oh wait, hear my sheep. I forgot.
Has the Enderman been doing this? Or is this you? Oh.
No, I've been doing that.
Oh!
Oh, I just took out one hut.
I'm stuck.
Oh, are you? Wait, I'll just make it. Oh, are you in there? Just jump out. Oh, well, yeah, right. Oh wait, yeah. Right, we need. Oh, good. You've been sharing them. How much wood do we have now?
I have currently 8.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
8. Okay. It's not the best, but yeah, we can do.
Why don't we
better.
make it red? Get some flowers.
Oh yeah, well I've got 20 dandelion yellow dye here.
I'd like red. Red's cool.
Oh, I have a
Because there's a lot of red flowers
I'm a
around.
unicorn. Hey, Sam, I'm a unicorn.
Charlie! Charlie!
Alright,
Charlie the unicorn.
Oh, it's gone. Where did it
I
go?
have no idea.
I like my. Anyway.
You know a red matter furnace is like 60 times faster than a normal furnace?
Okay.
Pretty fast.
Yeah. Do you have to power it with anything?
Yeah, still.